aircraft with ample length for safe operations. In contrast, runway 26 is 3,501 feet, 1,067 meters, long, significantly shorter, unlit, and designated for general aviation, as it is not suitable or authorized for commercial use. According to a memorandum issued on November 16, 2005, the regulation required 2 controllers during the overnight shift, one in the tower handling clearance, ground and tower frequencies, and the other either in the tower or remotely at Indianapolis Center, handling TRACON radar. However, on that day, only a single controller was on duty in the tower, responsible for both tower and radar duties.
Comair 191 is a taxi, we have Alpha.
Comair 191, taxi 0122, altimeter 3000, and the winds are